Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up YouTube, it's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video, and today guys we're going to be doing a little install slash restoration video slash how to. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little how to on how to remove grill and headlight assembly on your OBS. This is probably going to be the same from like I want to say 94 to 99, but we're going to do a little how to on that. And then we're gonna do a little restoration video. I'm gonna be using this product right here, 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with everything you need, except the drill. So you're gonna need a drill for this. Pretty much it's like a bunch of little sanding pads and polishes, and bring back your headlights to life. As you can tell, these headlights are pretty yellow and busted. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with this restoration kit. I might even go a step further and just spray some clear coat over them, and this is going to be temporary. I probably will be getting some new ones anyways, because you know, it's always better to get new ones anyways. So we're going to do removal, headlight restoration, and then we're also going to be doing an LED high beam and low beam kit. I will be having a pair as a giveaway, guys. So if you guys are interested in this giveaway, just stay tuned to the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe guys, and stay tuned for the giveaway. It's going to be high beam and low beam 9005 and 9006. So that should be good for any Chevy. Like I said, OBS, NBS, and NBS. Just make sure the light bulb size are the same, and you should be good. But yeah, we'll be doing the giveaway after we're done with the installation. I'll tell you guys what you guys need to do, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. But first thing we're gonna do is start by removing the grill. So we got 4 Phillips screws on each bottom light. We're gonna be removing those first on each side. Then we just disconnect the headlights. Jesus Christ. You can tell these have never been disconnected. In the future, we'll probably switch these out with LEDs as well, just so everything is kind of uniform. But for now, these should be fine. That's one side. Now we do the same thing to the other side. Look at that. Alright, 7, and the ones that hold these are 10. Yeah, there's one right here. Okay, so we're gonna grab a 7mm for the grill bolts, and then when we get to the top headlight assembly, it's gonna be a 10mm, so I'm gonna go get that. Alright, so we got the 7. How many bolts do we got on that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, huh? Yeah. Just 5. Oh yeah, you gotta disconnect those two. Baby, right? Okay, look me. I'll show them how the clip looks. So this clip, you just lift up and you pull back. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Just push these in. Lift. Pull back. Easy peasy. There normally is another one here in the middle. but on mine, you can tell it's broken off. So normally you just get a long screwdriver, you push it down, and you pull out. Mine was broken, so we didn't have to do it, but yours might not be broken, so be careful with that. So now that we got it out, we got to use the 10mm to take off this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4 bolts that holds in the whole headlight assembly. Lift the clip up here and just pull straight out.
Got it?
Yep. And there's that one. Now that we have them off, let's go ahead and see what this kit is all about.
For the kit, you can.
Yeah, the other drill.
You come with the tools and stuff?
Supposedly. Alright, so we got the pad. I'm pretty sure this is where you put the sanding paper on, because it has like the sticky, not sticky, like the Velcro backing for the Velcro. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the 500, and then we're gonna go down to the 800, and then the last step is gonna be this, what is it, 3000? And then after that, that's when we do the rubbing compound. And we do the synthetic wax protectant.
This is somewhere around here.
Gold. That one. You just want to apply light, medium pressure. You don't want to put too much pressure. Go ahead and clean it off again.
The pressure, wipe off the lens, and inspect to ensure all the yellowing and defects have been completely removed. So all the yellowing pretty much is off now.
Yeah. Alright, so we're done with the wet sanding. Now we're going to put on the sponge and start with the rubbing compound.
Yeah, rubbing compound.
Does it say how much to put?
Just like a dime.
So a size of a dime for each headlight. Definitely. I mean, they're not brand new, but then again, we're like what we say, 22 years old.
Yeah. So
from what it was to what it is now, that looks way better. And it's just for now. I mean, I had the kit laying around. It's not like I went out of my way to buy a kit. And the only reason I cleaned them too is because since I did get LEDs, I want the LEDs to really shine through the headlights. So obviously them being dirty and yellow, the LEDs probably would have worked, but they wouldn't have been to their full potential. I just want to light up the roads, you know. Yeah, that looks way better. I'm gonna post a little before and after picture once everything gets installed, so you can see what it looked like before. but this looks already way better. Alright, so pretty much we can put all this back together and we'll install the LED lights. Alright guys, so turns out this didn't take as long as I thought. Thanks to the homie Irvin who helped us out. So what we're gonna do for the giveaway, guys, like I said, it's gonna be a 2-pack, high beam and low beams. Alright, so I think what we're gonna do for the giveaway, guys, so you make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then I want you guys to share this video. So go to your Instagram, go to your Snapchat, go to your Facebook, copy the link on this video, or take a screenshot of the video, post it on Instagram, tag me at DopeDef. I'm gonna put the name right here. You have Snapchat, I'll put my Snapchat as well right here, 1low05. If you have Facebook, you can tag the DopeDef page as well. I'll put that right here as well. I also have the link on the description of all my social medias. Wherever you guys have a social media, you guys can share this video. Just share this video. Once you guys tag me in one of those, I'll write down your name. Also comment down below in the comments that you're done, and that way you can get entered more than once. So subscribe to the channel, comment down below done, that's 1 entry. Share the video in any of your social medias and tag me, and that'll be 2 entries. So you have up to 2 entries to win this giveaway.
Is this the company I sent it to?
Yeah.
AisKits. Yeah, AisKits, I mean. Comes with the manual. If you need it. Comes with, what else? The extra 12 months experience, a warranty card, their card.
So these LEDs do come with a warranty. So that's a good thing. They're all plug and play. 6000K, cool white. Come with a little fan so they don't overheat. Like I said, low beam and high beams all in one kit.
These are the lows and show the highs are still dying.
It'll tell you in the wire. Yeah, see. So the 9005s are the low, high beams, and then 9006 are the low beams. There we go.
It's one.
Yeah.
So it goes here.
Should we test them before we?
Yeah.
Sometimes on these you gotta flip them if they don't work. So let's go ahead and just turn on the headlights. Sweet.
The low beams are out.
Sweet. All right, now dang, that's pretty bright. All right, we're gonna do this side. Well, let's bolt this one back in. That way it's already in place, and then we'll do this side. Pretty much what we're gonna do is just reinstall everything back together. It's gonna be the 4 10mm on both top lights, and then the grill goes back into the clips, and then it's gonna be those 5 7mm on top, and then the bottom ones have the 4 Phillips screws all the way around. So these are just loose wiring here. I think that should be fine just there. If anything, I might zip tie it just so it's not touching hose. Maybe just zip tie them together like this. Let me get one of those little zip ties. There we go. See that? Now they're not just dangling everywhere. Fortunately, I did break one of these off. I think this is a turn signal. But like I said, I was gonna get LED ones for these anyway, so I'm gonna go stop by AutoZone later on, get some of these. For those they get all dirty. Maybe white gloves are cheaper than black gloves. Alright guys, one more time. If you guys want to answer this giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, done. Give my video a big thumbs up. That'll be 1 entry. You gotta be subscribed. Like the video, comment down below, done. Second entry, if you want to get more than 1 entry, any of your social medias that you have, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, fucking TikTok, I don't know. Figure it out. If you have a social media and you can share this video, make sure you tag me. You know, like I said, screenshot this video or something, copy the link, post it on your Facebook, and tag me, and that'll be 2 entries. So get 2 chances to win some LEDs, guys. Like I said, they're free. You don't have to buy anything. Just share my video, subscribe, and these can be yours, guys. High beam and low beams, 9006, 9005. What else do you want? Alright, we got the Grille in. You just gotta pop everything back into the clips in the bottom, and then everything else gets bolted in. Remember, you got 7 millimeters, 4 on top, and 1 in the middle. Okay, now we're done with those. Now we can do the bottom ones. Make sure you don't over tighten these guys, because these plastics are old and they will crack. So once you start feeling it get snug, that's good enough.
Once you see like a plastic, then you do this.
Right. This is what it looks like from the inside. These are the high beams. These are the low beams. No lights. Lights. Hell yeah. Way more brighter. Those lights made a big difference. Definitely clearing out the lights made the light come out more. Enter the giveaway. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below done. Share this video on your social medias, tag me, and we'll do this in a week. We'll give you guys a week to enter this giveaway. So good luck. You know what? I do have an extra pair. I think it's a low beam. No, it's a high beam pair. First place, 2-pack and stickers. Second place, high beam and stickers, and then third place, just stickers. So there's 3 chances for 3 people to win, and I gave you guys 2 ways to enter the giveaway. So good luck, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.